Wash your hands. All right, hello there. Who likes a deli-style sandwich? This guy. All right, so I have my supplies right in front of me. What we'll need today, you can choose. We have ham slices, yum. We have, chicken slices, yum. We have cheese. I like the Colby. You can use Velveeta. You can use Swiss. You can use American. We also have our tomatoes. We have our lettuce. For condiments, we have mustard. We have yellow mustard. We have Dijon mustard. Or you can go with mayonnaise. And of course, we're going to need 2 slices of bread. So let's get started. All right. First step, we're going to need 2 slices of bread. Put those on our plate. I'm going to use the chicken breast meat. Just need a couple slices. Ooh, it smells good. Sometimes it's hard to get it out of the package. That's okay. Gonna cover the bread, that little piece there. So we got our chicken breast, then 1 slice of Colby Jack. Gonna put that on my other slice of bread. So we got my cheese, I got my chicken, and then we're gonna use our mustard. Gonna put some on my cheese. Ooh, nice, nice. And now we don't need a knife. That's one less thing we have to clean. I'm gonna put some on my chicken. You can use tomatoes, but today I think I want a little lettuce. But you can put any kind of topping you like on your sandwich. Be creative. Ooh, iceberg lettuce. Just put some on my sandwich. Take my 2 slices, put them together. And there you have a perfect sandwich. Put food back in the pantry. Put food back in the fridge. Wash your dishes. Let's review. What is the first step? A. Wash hands. B. Cut bread. C. Open cheese. The correct answer is A. Wash hands. What did Mr. Tim make? A. Sandwich. B. Hot dog. C. Eggs. The correct answer is sandwich. What condiment did Mr. Tim use? A. Ketchup. B. Mustard. C. Chili. The correct answer is mustard. Where is deli meat kept? A. Pantry. B. Fridge. C. Freezer. The correct answer is B. Fridge. How many slices of bread did he use? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. The correct answer is 2.